So, how is NetApp helping the channel partners to tackle the challenges they have faced last year, and how are you helping them to come out of these challenges?
Yeah, yeah, it's very unfortunate that all of us are going through a lot of trouble because of the pandemic that has happened. It has changed the entire business model and the way people work and etc. We do understand the problems that our partners are going through. So what we have done is one of the main thing we addressed is because of the pandemic, there's a huge credit issue because the partners are not able to meet their customers and they are getting into a lot of working capital issues. So we have given a kind of an extended credit to our distributors, who in turn passes to the partners. That's something we have worked out to lessen their pain. Another is today is the world where uh, partners also try to look at this as a kind of an opportunity to upskill them. So we did a lot of training programs to train their people, both their sales and pre-sales team, so that getting them prepared for addressing the customer needs. The third thing is in terms of marketing. We also pumped in a lot more marketing funds for the partners to run virtual campaigns to reach out to their customers in a better way and to generate the leads.
And how are you helping the partners to, how are you empowering the partners to grow further in the next 2-3 years?
See, one of the things what we have done is like what we are doing now, the Accelerate, which is our annual partner event, which is our iconic event, which we do, where we share with our partners on our vision and strategies, what we are doing so that they can align their business. And the second thing is for any partners to grow, they need to know where to invest and where the market is happening. So we share the data in terms of which are the large segments we are focusing where the business is happening so that they can align their resources addressing those requirements. And obviously we are being into the technology sales environment, solution selling. We help our partners in terms of upskilling their resources to understand and train them on the new solutions and how to position our solutions into the market. So that's the part of the enablement we continue to do. And the third thing is in terms of growing the revenue, obviously the first thing they need to do a lot of lead generation. That's where we pump in terms of the marketing development funds for all our partners, which they can make use of it. We have an interesting programs like Explore, where we partner with partners, where we share our marketing intelligence. There we run the marketing campaign for the partners, or if the partners are equipped and they want to do their own demo gen, whether through the virtual seminar or the email campaign, we bear the cost of it. So that's how we spend our marketing development funds with the partners to generate the leads, which helps them to close the deals. And after all these things also, we always work closely with our partners once they identify the leads and they are working on it. Our sales team closely engages with the partners in progressing their pipeline and bring it to the closures.
You just mentioned your Accelerate event and how it helps the partners. Can you please elaborate more on your Accelerate event, how it adds value to the partners' work, etc.?
Yeah, Accelerate is our annual partner event, which is an iconic, which we do every year. Normally, we do it in one of the exotic physical locations where we spend a couple of days with the partners, where the partners get a chance to meet our executives and share their business ideas and vetted and get it ratified by our business leaders in terms of their focus. Since being, as I said, in unfortunate situation of the pandemic, we couldn't do it as a physical event. This year we are doing continue to do as a virtual event. And in this, we bring in our executives at the APAC level and India level, where they said, where our executives share their visions and strategy for the coming years, which helps the partner executives. Basically, this is an event where all our partner chief executives attend. So they understand our vision and strategy, which they can go back and align their plans and strategies and the resources investment in accordance with the NetApp plans. And also here we share in terms of what are the addressable market from the NetApp perspective, and which are the segments where we expect the business to happen in the next 5 years, where NetApp is going to invest. So these are the strategies we share with our partners. And also we brief them on various partner programs which we have got, the back-end rebate programs and the incentives which they can make use of it to grow their bottom line. And moreover, this gives a great opportunity for the partners to interact with their peers who are in the same business, and also with our executives. It's a forum where it's a kind of a business fun and interaction, and the networking happens. Yep.
So, how are you planning to expand to the smaller towns of India, your channel partner network?
Yeah, it's our clear vision. Though I said that it's a kind of our plan is to grow deep with the select partners, the focus partners. Having said that, we also have a major plans in terms of expanding into the tier 2 and tier 3 cities through our distribution network, because there's a big market and that market is growing, which is kind of an unexplored for NetApp. So we invested into the resources with our distributors, where who will be focusing in terms of recruiting and enabling those partners. And in our sales structure also, we have culled out our territory commercial as a separate team who will be focusing on the long tail of the business outside our named accounts, enterprise accounts, government accounts, everything outside the white space. We call it as a territory commercial. There is a team which works on the customers from those segments and generating the business. And the tier 2 cities, already we identified this year around 12 cities where we have recruited 2 partners in each of those cities who have been trained and enabled, and our district resources works closely with them in helping them out in terms of business generation. And our territory commercial team in turn helps them out wherever there's a lead. As I said, our sales team gets involved in terms of progressing the pipeline and helping the partners in customer interaction or any technical demos or the POCs to be done. We get involved ourselves, or our district resources, we use it. So it's a big market. Definitely we are keen, and that's a big focus area for us this year and the coming years.
So this has been a very interesting interaction. Mr. Ganeshan, can you, in the end, would you like to give a message for the audience about your work or your vision for channel partner network of NetApp?
Yeah, as most of the partners know already, we have reorganized and our sales team into the various focus areas, or we call it as sales districts: enterprise, central government, and state government. Enterprise 2, that is a kind of a named commercial market, and territory commercial, which I talked about it. And there's a change of team and the leaders that are settled now, and we are very, very focused and getting aggressive into the market. So my message to the partner is that please align with us. We have a big growth plans in place. Let's grow together. And also from the partner perspective, we will continue to invest on those select partners. This is our focus channel strategy, which we have brought in, wherein we want to grow deep with each of the partners who are committed to work with NetApp. And also where we will be investing in terms of enabling their team, in terms of helping them to generate demand or generating the leads, utilizing our MDF programs. And also the partners always look at it in terms of how they can grow their revenue and the profitability with NetApp. That's where we clearly identify those segments where there is a growth which we look with partners. And also we will invest into back-end rebates, where we have multiple back-end rebates, which we have covered in our session today to the partners. And make use of those rebate programs and the incentive programs to grow the profitability. I'm sure that both the NetApp and the partners working closely will be able to grow the mutually the business. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ganeshan, and I really appreciate your giving your time, and it has been a very insightful interaction.